If your Windows 11 PC is using too much RAM even when nothing is open, don't worry. In this video I will show you a real working fixes to reduce RAM usage and make your system faster. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This is how you can support us. Guys, high RAM usage usually happens because of background applications, startup programs, memory leaks or Windows services running unnecessarily. Let's fix it step by step. Fix number 1. Check what is using your RAM. Right click on the taskbar, then select Task Manager. You can also open the Task Manager by hitting Ctrl, Shift and Escape button. Make sure you are on the Processors tab, sort by memory. Now you can see which application is using more RAM. Right click on the application, then select End Task if you don't need it. So do this for the other applications also. Once you're done, close the window. Fix number 2. Disable startup applications. Guys, many apps start automatically and consume memory. To avoid this issue, right click on the taskbar, then select Task Manager. Select Startup Apps. Here you can see which applications automatically start when your system boot. Right click on the application which you don't need to automatically start up, then select Disable. So disable the other applications which you don't need, then close the window and you must restart your PC in order to work this. Fix number 3. Turn off background applications. Go to the Windows search bar and search for Settings. Open the Settings app. Select Apps, then select Installed Apps. Click on the application, the 3 dots available. Here you can find the advanced options. In my system it's not showing. If it is showing in your case, just select the advanced options, then set background app permissions to never. Once you're done, close the window. Fix number 4. Restart Windows Explorer. Right click on the taskbar, then select Task Manager. Search for Windows Explorer. Once you find that, right click and you must restart it. This refreshes the Windows interface. Close the window. Fix number 5. Disable unused Windows services. Go to the Windows search bar and search for Run. Open the Run app. Now type services.msc. Hit enter. And here you can disable services you don't need like Xbox services. Right click on the service, then select Stop. Also right click on that again, go to Properties, then it must have Startup type Manual. If it is automatic, change it to Manual, apply and save OK. Like this, you can disable the services you don't need. Close the window. Fix number 6. Check for malware or heavy applications. Sometimes unknown applications consume RAM. So open Windows Security or any antivirus or malware you have installed and run for full scan. And that's it guys. The important note is Windows sometimes uses RAM for cache to improve performance. So using 30 to 40% RAM is normal. But if it is consuming more than 70 to 80% while idle, something is wrong. And that's it guys. After applying these fixes, your RAM usage should reduce and your system should run much smoother. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.